Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. Okay, so if you might remember my ultimate shelving, which is this bit up here. Okay, we've done that part. Then we put in this racking shelving here. And as you can see, everything's a mess because it all has to go up here. This one actually fitted in perfectly between the doors. And since my last update, we've got some automatic doors here, which are working pretty cool. So this shelving here is the first one we're going to start with, because this actually is going to be the kitchenette. It's got water and drainage pipe in the concrete put in there years ago, and we're going to be hooking that up. So these ones here, we're going to be doing the stainless bench this week, next week, and then we're going to be putting on the facade and make it all look nice. So this is the update. Okay, so using my chat GTP, I took a photo, and we are aiming for that. That is what we're aiming for. So I've got some stainless steel made up. For reference, a splashback here and a bench top here, another bench top, another bench top came in at about $5,000. I found a guy, and hopefully I'll link down the description if you're looking for stainless work. He was much better. You know, I wasn't paying the dickhead tax. So for about $2.5, I'm getting all the benches, all the bottom parts of the benches made up. For this particular one being a kitchenette, we're going to have stainless there, stainless along here, and stainless here, and then stainless bench. So plus a couple of other little bits. So this bit right here is just your standard form ply, and this is put inside this these beams here. And as you can see, I tried painting these beams, and they look really bad. I should have powder coated them. So if you're ever doing it, powder coat's the way to go. I can touch it up. So I put the base in, and then I put a piece of wood behind it, and then we put these sides in, and these sides are just cut in, and then we put this piece on front. And we're going to do the exact same with the stainless steel when it comes in. We're going to put the base on, we're going to put the sides in like that, and we're going to put this piece like that, and then glue it all together. Then we're putting the kitchen sink in. We've got the kitchen sink, the commercial dishwasher, the bar fridge, which we've got to go pick up, and something to make it look nice here. So in theory, that should be what all this will look like once it's done. Really just a coffee bar, somewhere to have coffee, somewhere to have a cold drink, somewhere to wash your hands. But, you know, if that's what I can get it to make it look like, I think we'll be pretty good. So stainless, 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 and then a stainless on the front. That's where we're up to. Leave your comments down below. You think I can pull it off? You think it'll end up looking like that? Let's wait and see. Thanks for watching.